Want to schedule messages on iPhone? Here's how. Open the Messages app on your iPhone and go to the chat you want to send a message to. Tap the plus button in the chat. Find the Send Later option in the list. Tip: for frequent use, long press Send Later and drag it to the top of the list. Tap Send Later to open the message scheduler. Notice the new schedule option at the top of the text field. Type your message in the provided text area. Tap the schedule option to select the date and time. Use the scroll wheel to set your desired date and time. Finally, tap the Send button to schedule your message. To reschedule or delete, tap the Edit button on the message. Tap Edit Time and adjust using the scroll wheel. Complete by tapping outside the scroll wheel area to set the new time. To delete, use the Delete Message option. And that's it. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.